In this video, I'm going to talk about the second prerequisite which is required for the approval kit. So that is called as a creator kit. So you need to have creator kit installed before you even have install approval kit solution. Now, the first prerequisite for the solution was Microsoft Flow Approval and Microsoft Flow Approval Core solution, which is basically the default out of the box approval system. So this is all installed for us. Now, the second step is we need to install the creator kit. So navigate to Power Platform Admin Center, go into the correct environment. So for me, this is the correct environment. So I'll navigate to this environment. Now from here, you can navigate to Resources and Dynamics 365 apps. Click on Dynamics 365 app and you check for here whether you have creator kit installed or not. Now I don't see anything over here installed for creator kit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the app source. So open app source, it will open the new browser window, and from here just type creator kit or just type creator. The moment you do that, you will be navigated to this page. Click on get it now. So what is a creator kit? Creator kit is basically a collection of fluent UI controls. It contains templates for Power Apps Maker. Click on get it now. It says creator kit by Microsoft Corp Power Cat team. By clicking, you give permission to use or share your account. Click it on get it now. Once you do that, it will take you to a screen whereby it will ask you to select which environment you wanted to get installed. Now, I know we have already come from the kit environment, so we'll just select an environment and we'll just type in kit, KIT. So I'll click on click. So kit environment. So I selected the environment. I click on I agree to Microsoft legal terms. I agree to privacy. Click on install. Once you do that, it will start installing solutions. Okay. Now, here you will see create a kit solution installed once the solution installation process is completed. So currently we don't see anything of from a create a kit perspective, but eventually it might come over here. So let's wait for this. So as you see over here, the Create a Kit installation is succeeded. So you will see Create a Kit is installed in the specific environment. From here, you can view the details like which version it has installed. So it is 1.0.2023.07.27.2. It is a collection of Fluent UI controls, templates for Power Apps Maker. Now, if you navigate to the solutions under Manage Solution, you will see all the solutions related to Create a Kit has been installed. Now, over here, if you watch this solution, so these are the solution which gets installed when once a create a kit is configured within your environment. Now, create a kit AI, create a kit references Canvas, create a kit references MDA, which is model driven app. So these are the four solution which gets installed once you install the create a kit Dynamics 365 apps. So these are the prerequisite which is required to install approvals kit solution within your environment.